Welcome to another Airtable tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a column. All right. So first up, go ahead over to your workspaces and click on a project. Now in here, go ahead and go to add a view, for example, grid view, Kanban right here. All right. Now to add a column, just go ahead and go to the far right. As you can see here, we have this plus icon. Just go ahead and click on the plus sign. And in here, we have another column. Okay. If you want to rename it, just click on the three dots and click on rename stack. For example, needs review. Hit on enter, and there you have it. All right. Under grid view, all right, with the same set of steps, you can go ahead and go to the far right, click on the plus sign, and here we have multiple options. For example, checkbox right here. Okay. I'm going to name it needs review. Great field. This one, as you can see, this project right here needs review. I'm just going to click on check, 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 and check. Now, if you want to add in some rows right here, we have the plus sign. Click on it and a row will be added. All right. As you can see here, you can add rows right here as well. All right. New row. And to add it in, just go ahead and hold shift plus enter. There you go. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.